Steps for repotting. 1. Choosing the right time. The best time to repot a lemon tree is during early spring before new growth begins. Avoid repotting during the hottest part of summer or in winter. Selecting a new pot. Choose a pot that is 2 to 4 inches larger in diameter than the current one. Ensure the new pot has adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can cause root rot. 3. Preparing the potting mix. Use a well-draining potting mix, preferably one formulated for citrus or tropical plants. You can also mix regular potting soil with sand, perlite, or vermiculite to improve drainage. 4. Removing the tree from the old pot. Water the lemon tree thoroughly a day before repotting to reduce stress on the plant and make it easier to remove. Gently tilt the pot and tap the sides to loosen the soil. Carefully slide the tree out, supporting the trunk to avoid damaging the roots. 5. Inspecting the roots. Examine the root ball for any signs of disease or rot. Healthy roots should be white and firm. Trim away any dead, damaged, or excessively long roots with sterilized pruning shears. 6. Preparing the new pot. Place a layer of potting mix at the bottom of the new pot. Position the tree in the center, ensuring it sits at the same depth as it did in the previous pot. Fill in around the root ball with more potting mix, gently firming it down as you go to eliminate air pockets. Aftercare tips. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Fertilizing. Wait about a month after repotting before fertilizing. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer formulated for citrus trees. Monitoring. Watch for signs of stress, such as yellowing leaves or wilting. Adjust care as needed to ensure the tree acclimates to its new pot. Pruning. Prune any damaged or crossing branches to maintain a healthy structure and encourage new growth. Conclusion. Repotting a lemon tree is an important step in its care routine that promotes healthy growth and fruit production. By following these steps and providing proper aftercare, your lemon tree will thrive in its new environment, rewarding you with lush foliage and delicious fruits.
Okay. Stir đây. Phát đây. Vàng.